It's 4 in the morning. Christy's up there snoring. But I'm gonna make some biscuits. Got some all-purpose flour, unbleached, unbromated. I don't know what any of that means. Just get the best stuff you can find, okay? Baking powder, baking soda. I use Redmond real salt, homemade Amish butter, honey. And this is whole Amish milk, raw. Everything we use is as natural as possible. All right, here we go. So I've got 240 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of butter that I put into the flour, 240 grams of starter, and 1/4 cup of milk. I had to use some of Christy's starter here to complete this recipe because I didn't have quite enough, which is not a big deal. You can totally do something like that. Anyway, toss the milk in there, and then I'm going to put my wet ingredients into my dry ingredients. But what I'm doing here is I'm using a fork to smash the butter. What I want is for the little cubes of butter to mix in with the flour, and I want it to be kind of chunky. So once I do that, I'm going to put my wet ingredients into my dry ingredients like you're seeing here. I'm going to mix it up with a spatula. Again, I want it to kind of be chunky and flaky, and you're going to see here. From there, I'm going to put a little bit of flour on my counter. I'm going to turn my dough out, and I'm going to flatten it out. I'm going to smash, 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 roll it like an envelope, turn it 90 degrees, roll it like an envelope, turn it 90 degrees. Do that a few times until I build up those flaky little layers. From there, I'm going to toss it onto a baking sheet. I'm going to bake it at 425 for 10 to 15 minutes, and you've got biscuits.